On special demand, I bring to you today a very special, easy, effective, doable, completely beginner friendly. Sit in a chair, lose your thigh fat and get trimmed and toned legs. So these set of simple exercises are completely doable on a daily basis. So that is your key to success. And that's how you probably fit into your favorite pair of jeans, because I know how tough it is to lose your thigh fat, especially your inner thigh, your outer thigh, and get that absolutely perfect shape of your legs. Many people don't just want to lose their thigh fat for aesthetic reasons or for cosmetic reasons, just to look good. But the main crux is that they actually face a lot of chub rub, which causes red rashes in between the thighs. The second reason is not being able to comfortably sit in a chair. Now that itself is a big accomplishment for many. They don't realize the social stigma that comes along with one person being judged just because of their lower, heavier half being heavy. So that's why people say, will you be able to fit in that chair? Please don't sit with me, I need more space. All these things. Now it's time to overcome all these things and finally get rid of your thigh fat, get slim, toned legs with these easy, doable exercises. What are we waiting for? Let's begin.